Voila, baby.
Lazy yellow moon coming up to the shining through the tree. Crickets are singing and laughing, bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old Scunner Road. I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Staying the whole night through, feels so good to be.
Why do you want me to? You think I care about catching fish? If I catch like 3 fish, I'm happy, and I've done that.
Waited all winter for the time to be right, just to take you
Oh, yeah.
baby, get ready. It don't matter if we sit forever and the fish don't bite. Jump in a river and cool ourselves from the heat of the night. Baby, get ready. You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Staying the whole night through, it feels so good to be. You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river and down by the light, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow.
Oh boy, that's a huge bat. I think so. It's a bat. Holy moly, that's big. Man. Oh, that's a nice one.
Solo picture again.
Put the pole down. Put the pole down.
How do you hold it?
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Here. I'm up here and show you a phone. Move this on. You got it?
Oh, come on, they're coming.
Here, look at the camera. Don't let them watch.
Oh, and let's take a photo. Take a screenshot. Yeah. Whoa, what's in there? Whoa.
borrowed teeth.
Ollie, did you catch that?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good, Ollie.
Catfish there, Dad? Okay.
I'm gonna spit it out.
What are you gonna do?
It was awful.
Don't. What are you gonna eat?
You smell it?
The sardine.
$20.
Got some more goodness in
You
it.
think we'll be able to taste it?
No.
It tastes like olive oil.
No.
You swear.
I swear,
Yeah.
you can't even taste it. It tastes like olive oil.
Except for the bones in it.
Put it in and eat it. It's good. Listen, just because your dad doesn't eat it doesn't make it bad.
You taste the mush? Yeah. The bones? Yeah. Yeah. You taste some bones?
It's good, wasn't
Oh,
it?
the mush, the texture. Oh,
It's good.
oh, that fish was swimming around its own poop.
Not the fish poop. I mean, your dog just stretched there earlier and ate it up.
Oh.